Thanksgiving can be a fun but stressful time. There's a lot to do, and spending time with family is good, but it's not unusual for people to get on each other's nerves. Also, if you're trying to lose weight, you might be unsure about what to eat on this holiday. In this video, I'll break down how to handle Thanksgiving so you have the best holiday ever. Hi everyone, it's Kristen with Be Healthy Nutrition, and I'm excited to have you here with me today. Make sure to watch until the end of the video because I've saved my best tip for last. Tip number 1, if you're hosting the event, plan far in advance what you're cooking and baking. Also, make sure to make as much of it ahead of time as possible. A lot of our stress comes from procrastination. If you don't allow yourself to do that, you'll find that a lot of the stress goes away. You'll be in a much better position to enjoy the day with everyone else instead of scrambling around to get the food on the table. Tip number 2, take time on Thanksgiving morning for yourself. It's best if this could be in the form of exercise. If you like running, there are a lot of 5Ks called turkey trots. If running's not your thing, just do whatever you like. There will likely be a lot of activity later on in the day, so try to have some quiet time for yourself before all the chaos of the day ensues. Tip number 3, try to find healthy versions of your favorite recipes. An easy way to do this is to make simple swaps in your favorite recipes, such as substituting reduced fat butter for margarine and using less of it than you would normally use. Tip number 4, try to be mindful of your portion sizes and choose foods that you really want to eat. If you don't care for green bean casserole, don't waste your calories on it just because it's there. Make sure to eat breakfast also. Don't skip meals so that you have more calories to eat at your Thanksgiving meal. This will make you overeat and then you won't feel good. What's the point of that strategy if you end up not feeling good afterward? Tip number 5, my last and best tip. Remember that food is meant to be enjoyed, so enjoy it. If you do end up overeating, do not feel guilty. Just say, wow, that was delicious, and get back to your regular food plan the next day. Don't restrict your food the next day. That's the worst thing you could do. Happy Thanksgiving from my family to yours. We have so much to be thankful for, and I hope you do as well. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel so I can continue to bring you new content. Bye for now.